How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open any browser and type Dubai Islamic Bank and go to the official website, that is dibpak.com. So once you're here, click on the three bars at the top left corner and then go ahead and go to this digital banking option right here. So you'll see the option of debit card, so click on that. So here, if you scroll down, you'll see how to activate your Visa debit card. So you can do this through the mobile and internet banking application. So you do have to download the mobile app from the Play Store and you can just log into DIB Internet Banking and then you'll be able to activate your debit card through there. So the next thing you can do is directly call DIB Phone Banking, and then the customer will verify through the phone banking officer through different security questions. And then you'll have the card activation and PIN change after a successful verification. And another thing you can do is you can go ahead and log into DIB Internet Banking and select card management option, and then they will provide you a one-time PIN verification. And then you'll just need to activate your debit card. So these are the different usage limits and the different charges here. So that is how to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card.